In this video, I'll show you how to scan using your Canon MAXIFY MB2720. I'll show you how to use the normal scanner and also the top document feeder on the top in case you want to scan a document that has multiple pages. So let's get started right away. The first step is to connect your printer to the Wi-Fi network. Then I'll show you how to get the results on your phone. So here all we have to do is to swipe until you see LAN settings on the top right corner. Click on it and then select wireless LAN setup. Select standard setup. Wait. Search for your Wi-Fi network in this list. You can swipe up and down. My Wi-Fi network is this one, so I'll click on it. And now it's time to enter the password. Tap in the middle of the screen and now type the password. You can also have access to numbers and capital letters by clicking on this button over here. Once the password is entered, press OK. OK again. You're going to get the confirmation that it has been connected to your wireless router. Press OK. On your iPhone, you need to go on the App Store and download the Canon Print app. This one over here, made by Canon. Once you downloaded the app, open. The main page of the app should look like this one. Press search. If you don't see the search button, you can click on add switch. That is right over here. Wait a few seconds. You'll get the green check mark. And now you can close this window by clicking the X button on the top right corner. To scan, let's open the scanner lid. Put your finger there and lift the cover. Take the document you want to scan. Could be a picture or a document with text. Put it facing down with the top part. Okay, this is the top part of my page, you see, on the left side. Then we need to bring this sheet of paper until the corner of the paper touches the corner of your scanner, that is the top left one. So bring them until both here are touching. Close the lid. On the app itself, you have the scan option right there. So click on scan. Again, you're going to have different settings, so you can click on change settings if you want to change them. Once you're ready to scan, press the scan button and wait. This is the scan result. If you want to scan more pages, load the next one and press scan. But this printer has an automatic document feeder where you can scan multiple pages at the same time. Let me show you in just a few seconds. For now, I'll just show you how to save this. So press exit. You'll get the result here. And from here, you see on the lower left side, you get a small icon, a square with an arrow. Press on it. And now it will ask you, do you want to save it in JPEG or PDF? Let's say I want a PDF, I'll click. And now you'll be able to share it with your contacts. Also share it on social media or different apps that you have installed on your phone. And finally, if you go down, you'll be able to click save to files, which means that it will save on the memory of your iPhone for future usage. So you have all these options. If you want to use the top document feeder, let me show you. I'll take this page. Let's say you have a document with multiple pages, let's say 20, 25, and you don't want to put them one by one over here. Align them, open this top document feeder. You see there's some plastic glides you can open up. Put your document with whatever is that you want to scan facing up with the top part of the page towards the left side. Glide it. You're going to hear a beep telling you it has recognized. And now if I go in the scan app, and I'm going to scan this document, press scan, you'll see the printer will take one by one each page. You don't have to touch anything and it will scan them. So, you know, if you have 20 pages, you're going to save a lot of time with this automatic document feeder instead of using a typical scanner. Okay, here we go. It has scanned, and let's check on the phone itself. I have page 1 out of 2 and I have page 2 out of 2. Again, you can have many of them. And yeah, same thing. Click over here if you want to save it on your phone or share it. So this is about it. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, check my Amazon affiliate links if you want to get ink for this nice printer, and I'll see you in the next video.